Hello, this is Emeryville with ReLISTO. Welcome to 2670 Alemany. This is a single detached home, just beautiful. The owners have just poured a bunch of love and effort into this property. Brand new paint. You'll see as we go inside, most of it's been upgraded and it's just beautiful. We're going to do where I'm partially walking through the unit, and then we're going to be speeding through it as well. So just to highlight, this is a very understated 1,700 square feet, with the garage and all the other living space is much bigger. 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, laundry, lots and lots of storage, skylights, recently just brand new kitchen and flooring and everything. And this place is just beautiful. Just look, I'm going to switch around here. Just look how beautiful this living room is. Got big, brand new windows as well, all double pane. So it really keeps the noise out and the warmth in. Lots of electrical outlets, skylights. Let's go back in to decorative archway here. Again, another skylight. And then going here into the kitchen, all brand new appliances. Lots of cabinets, dishwasher, 5-burner gas range. Just really super beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to turn around again and let's go off and see the rest of the property. All right, there you have it. 2678 Alemany, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You saw there how there was the garage that we had gone into, which also contained the laundry machines and an extra refrigerator. You can see that's just an amazing space. And in each level, there was a bedroom. The middle level had a bathroom, and then the lower level, it had a lot of storage that could either be used as a bedroom or a den or a guest room. And then of course you have this beautiful backyard. So if you're interested in this property, give us a call. We're going to be showing this. The showing schedule should be on our website. If you look at the link, there should be a link below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and we look forward to seeing you. All right, cheers, bye-bye.